Welcome to Fiery Smart Support. My name is Peter, your virtual Fiery XF assistant, and in today's video, I would like to show you how you can easily perform a print head alignment on your EPSON SpectroProofer printer. So let's get started. First of all, enter the main menu directly on your EPSON printer control panel. Then enter the paper settings menu. Now you need to select the media you want to perform the alignment on. In the above example, we select the inserted roll media. Enter the Print Adjustments menu as a next step. Now select Print Head Alignment. In this window, you need to select the print direction that you want to align. For best accuracy, you want to do both, but start with one first. If you have not performed an alignment yet, start with unidirectional first. Now follow the directions on screen. By pressing Start, the alignment will start. For ease of use, select the Auto Alignment. Before you start the auto adjustment, make sure that all nozzles are free and not clogged. If you are unsure, press Nozzle Check Pattern first before you proceed with auto adjustment. The printer will run the auto adjustment then without any interaction and return to the main menu screen once completed. Make sure to run the adjustment for bidirectional print mode afterwards. And this is how you can easily perform a print head alignment on your EPSON SpectroProofer printer. Thanks for watching.